Hey guys, what's up? How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is having a good day. So today I am going to be posting this video on my YouTube channel. I want to show you all what you would get as a paparazzi influencer. Now these bags right here, actually you guys can't really see them. So this bag is right here. Doesn't come with it, but I did buy it on Miss A on their website. It's like $1.09 or something. I think they're really cute. It has little pineapples. I bought them for myself. But I got these because I wanted to do something fun with it. So I have 3 $5 mystery bags. You're not going to know what's in it until you get it in the mail. And then I have 6 $10 mystery bags. Now, the only thing is, like, some of this stuff could be from my previous inventory that I had through Paparazzi before, or it's also new. But because this right here, all on this table, is actually my new Paparazzi kit. It is my $99 kit. You will get all of the jewelry. You get 35 pieces. 35 pieces of jewelry wrapped up in like really nice plastic here. This is also a new piece right here as well. It comes with this nice little necklace. It is also adjustable with free pairs of earrings right here. This was I think my older one, and then this is the new part that you get in this part right here, this necklace holder. I cannot even think what it is, but this is what you get in your kit. You get one of these. This is also a new necklace as well. It's like twisted. And this is the little necklace that I decided to put on there because I think it's really cute and dainty as well. So that's also really nice. If you see anything, I'm not really just meaning to like show you all. If you guys see something that you may like, please comment below and I can help you find it. Not only that, you also get these hooks in your $99 kit. There are 3 different kits. The $99 one, which I got. There's also the $2.99 and $4.99. So you guys you have choices of which one you would want. You get little free bling is a beautiful thing. So if someone, one of your customers, would order or buy something from you, and after the 12th paparazzi jewelry or accessory, the 13th is for free. You get paparazzi bags. So like if someone were to order, of course what I would do is I would get their bag, I would write down their name and put their jewelry in their bag. That's what I would do. There's also talking points and styling tips, just a bunch of information that we get as influencers. This is got hair in my mouth. Like goal sheets. You get goal sheets. This is an application for someone that is wanting to sign up under you. If you're at a party, they can fill this out on your, as in me, I would be able to enter this in as well on my computer. Let's get this party started. So party cards, and didn't mean to throw that at you. And then this is, we've got a formula for fabulous fun fashion. $5, come see what the paparazzi party is all about. And it just has like the host, the date, the time, the phone, the address, email, and sending it to whoever. It's like a postcard. Oops. All right, you get thank you cards. So someone that purchases from you, from your inventory that you have, you can write them a thank you. This is receipts. So you can make your own receipt, which is also really nice. Oh, you get like 100 of these in your first kit. You get a lot. If you were to need to fix any of your paparazzi jewelry for whatever reason, you have pieces and a little separator kit for you. Let's see. This is pretty much welcoming me back. Well, not back, but welcoming me. This is the letter. Decal for your car, your first call checklist, and party checklist. So this entire $99 kit, you get 35 pieces of jewelry, which is also really nice. So it's $5 for a customer. You can, $5, you can earn a lot of money by just selling $5 jewelry. I had done paparazzi a while back ago. I just stopped because I just wasn't interested in it anymore. Decided to come back. I do really enjoy the jewelry. I love the jewelry. I think it's beautiful. $5. I think it's a great steal. You get really cute things. Like, check these earrings. I don't think you can see them very well in plastic. The earrings are also, this is all nickel and lead free. So look at these beautiful earrings. They're pink and they're dangles. So it will come to like, it's not that far. So it's really nice. So if you guys were to see anything that you may like, I am going to be going live, I think starting tomorrow morning, maybe, depending on what George has in mind. But I'm not going to go live on here. It will be on my Facebook profile. So if you guys were to see anything that you may like on my live, just make sure that you guys comment below and let me know. This will get posted. This video is going to get posted today, but when I go live on my Facebook page, some of the inventory might be already gone, which of course I will comment in the comments on my channel on what's gone and what's still available. But right now, at this point, I'm just gonna sell like the stuff that I got in my kit, and then the mystery bags as well. If you guys want a mystery bag, make sure that you guys comment below mystery bag, and I will find out your contact information and we will send you a mystery bag. Once I sell out all of my mystery bags, of course, I will be making some more mystery bags as well. New inventory, old inventory, it will be a combination of things. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. I hope this helps with the $99 kit. I'm not entirely sure what you would get. You'd get almost the same stuff, but like, oh, here's another thing. This is about the compensation plan. So, I mean, has like a bunch of stuff. You're not going to see it because the lights. But it talks about the compensation plan. There's a bunch of There's actually a couple of them, a few extras. So I will be going live tomorrow morning to start selling some of this paparazzi. It will be on my Facebook profile that I will be going live on. I will not be going live on here, but it will get posted, so I will make sure to let you all know that what's available and what's not available. If you guys are interested in a certain piece of jewelry that I have on the table, just make sure that you guys comment below. I just wanted to show you all what I had available right now. So I will be going live tomorrow, between 10 and 11 on my Facebook, and this is going to get posted probably about after lunch, just so that I will have time to be able to let you all know what's available and what's not available. Just because George will still be awake, he'll still be running around in here tomorrow morning. So yeah, I hope this was insightful. I hope this helped. If you guys are interested in starting your own paparazzi journey, and with me as well, you guys can help me out with this business as well, and I can help you. I hope that we can learn and grow from each other. But yeah, I will talk to you all soon, and I think I'm going to be posting a little bit more here and there throughout the day today if I can. I probably will. So I'll see y'all soon. Bye guys.